MUNIBA Mazari is a Pakistani artist, motivational speaker, model, and activist. But her journey to success was not easy. She is also known as the Iron Lady of Pakistan because of her courage and strength. Her life story is emotional, inspiring, and full of lessons for all of us. A simple beginning. Muniba was born on March 3, 1987, in Rahim Yar Khan, a small city in Pakistan. She belonged to a Baloch family and was raised with traditional values. From her early days, she was a kind-hearted and creative girl. She loved painting, writing, and reading books. She wanted to do something big in life, but her family had different plans. An early marriage at the age of 18, Muniba was forced into an arranged marriage. She had dreams of going to college and becoming an artist, but those dreams had to wait. Her husband was a military officer. After marriage, she moved to Quetta, where she lived with him. Muniba was not happy in her marriage. Her husband did not support her passions. She felt alone and trapped. But she tried to adjust and continue with her life. She kept painting and writing in her free time. A life-changing accident in 2008. Something terrible happened that changed her life forever. Muniba and her husband were traveling by car when they had a serious accident. Her husband was driving fast and lost control of the car. The car fell into a ditch. Muniba was badly injured. Her arm, ribs, shoulder, collarbone, and backbone were broken. Her lungs and liver were also damaged. She was taken to the hospital immediately. The doctors said she would never walk again. They also said she would never be able to have children. She was only 21 years old. The dark days after the accident. Muniba spent many months in the hospital. She went through several surgeries and painful treatments. She could not move her body. She was completely bedridden. She felt broken, helpless, and hopeless. She was in a wheelchair, and her dreams seemed impossible now. She cried every day and thought her life was over. She asked herself, "Why me? What did I do wrong?" But even in this dark time, she slowly started to find strength inside her. Finding inner strength, Muniba realized that she had two choices: either give up or fight back. She decided to fight. She began painting again, using her mouth to hold the paintbrush. She painted from her hospital bed and expressed her feelings through her art. Painting became her therapy. She painted colorful and emotional pictures. Her art showed both her pain and her strength. People started noticing her talent. She also started writing and speaking. She shared her story with the world, talking about how pain made her stronger. She became a motivational speaker and began giving speeches to inspire others. A new beginning. Muniba did not let the wheelchair define her. Instead, she used it as her strength. She became Pakistan's first wheelchair-bound model. She also became the brand ambassador for major companies and organizations, including the United Nations. In 2015, she was named one of BBC's 100 most inspirational women in the world. She adopted a son and named him Neil. Even though the doctors had said she could never become a mother, she proved that motherhood is about love, not just giving birth. Neil gave her a new reason to live and smile. Messages of hope. Muniba's speeches are full of motivation and hope. She tells people to never give up, no matter how hard life gets. One of her most famous quotes is, "Don't die before your death." She believes that we often kill our dreams and hopes with fear. She says that pain is a gift. It makes you stronger and helps you grow. She encourages people to accept themselves as they are and be proud of their scars and struggles. Challenges she still faces even today. Muniba faces many challenges. She is still in a wheelchair. She still feels pain. But she doesn't let it stop her. She keeps working, painting, speaking, and inspiring. She says that the accident broke her body but made her soul stronger. She turned her pain into power. Lessons from her life. There are many lessons we can learn from Muniba Mazari's story. Never give up, life can be hard, but we must keep going. Believe in yourself, even when no one else does, have faith in yourself. Turn pain into power, use your struggles to become stronger. Be kind, kindness and love can heal even the deepest wounds. Follow your passion, your dreams are worth fighting for. You are not alone, there is always hope, and there are people who care. Conclusion. Muniba Mazari is not just a survivor, she is a fighter, a warrior, and a symbol of hope. She shows us that no matter how broken we feel, we can still rise and shine. Her emotional journey from pain to power inspires millions of people around the world. She proves that true beauty lies in strength, courage, and kindness. Her story reminds us that even after the darkest night, there is always a new sunrise.